Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. In today's video, I want to present to you my finished project, my latest finished project. And I want to show you the preview first before I show you the finished result. This is this Curious Mermaid by Autumn Lane Stitchery. I bought this on 123stitch.com. The Curious Mermaid. This is what it looks like. And on the back you have the instructions and what you need. Here you have the DMC floss that you need and the recommended fabric. And what they do is the manufacturer recommends to use 32 count linen Sea Lily by Witchelt, but I don't like the color of it, and I don't like to cross stitch on even weave 32 count. So what I did was, here's the preview. Well, here's the finished project. This is what it looks like. I chose to opt for a different fabric. This is 16 count Ada fabric that I also bought on 123stitch.com. It's lighter because I think that the one here is very, very dark. This is a lighter one. I like it more, but the only thing here is on the preview here, you can see clearly the bubbles and the air bubbles in under the sea or under the water. Here you don't see them very well. They're very, very light, and this is the only plus of this fabric. But I still like the color of this fabric more. This is 16 count Ada fabric. And the finished result on the 16 count Ada fabric is 8.5 by 11 inches or 21 by 28 centimeters. This took me about a month to finish. It was very easy to follow. I think that the chart was easy to follow, but the symbols were very, very tiny, so were kind of hard to see them. And I'll show you the floss. There are only 6 colors in this project, so it was very easy. You don't have to change the floss very often. And if you look here, you have the bottom of the lake here. You have the anchor, you have the seaweed, and you have like a treasure that is on the bottom of the lake or the sea. I think it's more of a lake or a pond or something like that. Then you have the fish, and you have the boat. And you have this Curious Mermaid that is looking at the boat. And this is the water here. And you have the seashells here as well. This mermaid doesn't remind me of the Little Mermaid from Disney cartoon. She reminds me more of the, if you've watched the Pirates of the Caribbean, the more of the evil kind of mermaid. That's what she reminds me of. She reminds me of. I'm very pleased with the result. So easy to make, but it took time. It took me about a month to complete this project. And I stitched with 2 strands of DMC floss. I used DMC floss. And if you look here, the bottom of the lake, it looks like it's black, but it's not black. It's actually a very, very dark color blue. This is black to 310, and this is the, I don't know if you see the difference. I can see the difference, but if you just look at the project, it looks like it's black, but it's not black. It's dark blue. Well, that's about it. Let me know what you think about my project in the comment section below, and let me know what you like, if you like the color of the original color that is recommended to be used, or do you like the color of the fabric that I've used, and what do you think overall, what do you think about this project? So I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up because there's only much more to come. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.